You're quiet.
I'm cooking.
You're thinking loudly while pretending to cook.
14 hours, Marcus.
I know.
I'm not going to fall apart. I just want you to know that before tomorrow. I know you're not.
I know you're not.
I'm going to stand at that airport and smile and mean it, and then I'm going to come home and probably sit on this floor for an hour, but I will be okay.
You can sit on the floor for as long as you need.
I know. That's why I'm telling you.
6 months.
6 months.
I'm coming back, Ava. I need you to hold on to that.
I know you are. And I'll be here. Different than when you left. Because I don't stand still anymore. But here?
Better. Hopefully. Still figuring it out. Dance with me.
There's no music.
There doesn't need to be.
How are you actually? Surprisingly okay, which I keep waiting to stop being true. Maybe it just... the true. We danced last night, Diana, in the kitchen. No music. He asked you to dance. With no music.
I know. Ava, that man. I know, Dee, I know. 6 months is manageable. You know that, right?
I know. It's not the 6 months that scares me.
Then what does?
That I'll change while he's gone, that he'll come back and I'll be someone different. And different might not fit the same way. Or different fits better. Growth does that sometimes.
What if it doesn't?
Then you figure it out together. Like you figured out everything else. Ava, you survived Claire. You survived David. You survived your own fear. 6 months of distance is nothing compared to what you've already walked through. When did you get this wise? I have always been this wise. You only notice when you need it. I have to go. His flight is in 3 hours. Go. And Ava? I know. Don't cry at the airport. I was going to say, let yourself cry at the airport. You've earned it.
I love him, Diana.
I know, baby. Go tell the airport that.
You wore your hair down.
It seemed like a hair down kind of morning.
It's a hair down kind of everything now.
Don't miss your flight, Marcus.
I have 11 minutes.
You have 9. You're always 2 minutes optimistic.
I'm coming back.
I know you are.
And when I do.
Don't make promises about after. Just go. Do the work. Come home.
You are extraordinary. Do you know that?
Go, Marcus. Before I change my mind about not crying.
Six months.
6 months.
David? What are you doing here?
I came for you, Ava.
You were waiting for me?
You followed me here.
I needed to see you, in person, without phones.
David,
Just hear me out. 2 minutes, that's all.
you deleted my number.
How do you?
It doesn't matter. Say what you came to say.
I made the worst mistake of my life leaving you. I know that. I have known about it for a long time. And I came back because...
Because Marcus was going to London. You thought 6 months of distance and a familiar face would be enough. You thought I was still the woman who needed someone to fill the silence. You thought wrong, David.
Ava, I still don't. Whatever you're about to say, don't.
Because I loved you. Completely. And you treated that love like it was ordinary. Like it would always be there regardless of how you handled it. And when you left, you were right that I fell apart. But what you didn't account for was that I would put myself back together. Better. Stronger. Into someone who knows exactly what she deserves.
And Marcus is what you deserve.
Marcus is what I chose. There's a difference. And I choose him every single day. Even today. Go home, David. Build something real with someone who is available to receive it. You're capable of more than what you showed me. But that is no longer my story to be part of.
Just boarded, thinking about the kitchen, about dancing. 7 months coming home, Ava.
I'll be here. Go change the world, then come home and tell me about it.